Yeah, good. Now go ahead.
Hi, my name is Illiyanie. I am currently studying a set of data from a large business. Right now, all you see in front of you are a bunch of numbers, dates, and names. It's hard to draw any conclusion from this big chart. That's why I used a great platform called Power BI to turn this table into something that can be readily analyzed and understood. And of course, much more appealing. Don't you think this looks so much better and way more organized? Anyway, for those of you who are looking to start a business, I hope this presentation gives you a good perspective on how to run a business. We'll start with our employees. As you know, employees are a big part of any business, so it is important that their progress and activities are well recorded. In this sample, I evaluated each of the employees based on their performance in sales, quantity, profit, and the discounts they offer. This line chart over here represents the discounts that each employee offers. We'll say that this is employee number 1. That's a huge discount. You might think this is actually a good thing that will attract more buyers. But if you look at our funnel chart over here, this employee actually brought in the lowest profit. Let's see what she did wrong. This longest line represents the employee that brought in the most profit, so we can use him as our example. If we look back at the discount chart, we see that he also offered a high discount, but not too much. This is only one reason why Power BI is so helpful for our business. It tells us which strategy works and which doesn't. Employee 1 offered such a high discount that she lost the profit along the way. Now let's evaluate our products. It's also good to know which products are the most successful. This blue chart shows us which products bring in the most revenue. If we hover over this longest bar, we can see the details. This particular product gave the company the most profit, so we know to keep it in stock. Now, if we hover over this purple chart, we can see which products are most popular. They may not bring us the most revenue due to pricing, but this item is important to our business because it creates traffic and it attracts customers to our store. Basically, it is the most popular item, so we better make sure it's always in stock. Finally, let's look closer at our individual customers. From this clustered bar chart, we can infer which customer is buying the most from us, or how much profit we get from each individual. The legend above shows that these long sky blue lines represent the profit, and these little dark blue lines represent the quantity. From this map chart, we can see in which country our customers reside. This is a global superstore after all. This quick presentation showed you how Power BI can be very helpful for monitoring your company's progress and allows you to see mistakes and setbacks so you can make changes. So, if you are a beginner in this process, or even if you've already had some experience in the field, Power BI is highly recommended and a great place to start. Thank you.
Wow, that's so good. Great, great, Illiyanie. What a good presentation of report. Great work, great work. I mean, you have analyzed each and every sheet so well. That's super good, super good. Any feedback, sir, ma'am, from your end?
That's a great job and good presentation. Kudos to
Yes,
you as the presenter too.
Thank you.
absolutely, absolutely. Wow, wow, Illiyanie.
Yeah,
Wait
she
for
did an
teaching
amazing
her.
she did an amazing job. Actually, this is a she did a quality of work that we generally don't even do in our real workplace. So awesome work. Kudos.
Wow,
Thank you so
absolutely.
much,
That's
sir.
that's really good. Thank you very much, parents. Your feedback really matters a lot.